Hi! Really excited to get started, so let's do just that. Today I'm going to be doing a bride's corpse mask. I got the idea from It's Likely Makeup, and I saw this look right here, and I was like, yes. I've already glued down my eyebrows, as you can see. I'm just going to take something to draw out the mask part, or the part that's separating the look from the rest of our face. I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick from Ever. It is in the shade 82. It is a pure white. I'm going to take an angled flat brush and I'm going to basically just paint inside the circle. I'm gonna go in with this Quick Flick Velvet Blue eyeliner, which was sent to me a few years back, and I still have it and I still use it, and it is still so freaking good. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that and just outline the mask. I'm gonna do the brows next. I'm gonna use that same eyeliner. Okay, I just realized I've been sitting here for 45 minutes and this is as far as I've gotten. I'm a little sad. That was dumb. That was dumb. So I'm just taking a blue shadow and I'm starting it right here because this is the highest point in her lid. She has a lid like right here. So don't be afraid to go a little ham if you are doing this look, because it's a Halloween look. Just go for it. It doesn't have to be perfect. It ain't gotta be pretty. Halloween isn't pretty. Shy.
What in the... I knew you was a clown.
I will bibbity bop you out of here. Wait, that's a witch? A wizard? Fairy godmother? Anyway, so I am just taking this blue shadow and just bringing it all around my eyes to give it that sunken in effect. Now I'm going to contour my nose a bit, and it goes down. It's very, very pinched. So it to make it look like it's teeny weeny. Kind of just gonna do like that. Draw a line from the line I created. You see my nostril here? To help even more with that shape, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a black liner. Okay, so I can't find it. I'm gonna use the ink for my mascara. So I'm literally just gonna draw 2 triangles right on my nostrils, right where her nostrils would be, you know? Now we're gonna contour. I'm not gonna like, I don't know, let me just do it because I don't know what I'm doing. Just keep blending, just keep blending, 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 blending. Just keep blending, just keep blending, just keep blending, blending, blending. It looks so crazy when I smile. I look crazy. But that's the point, isn't it? Isn't the point to look psycho? Or at least dead inside? I don't know why me saying dead inside just reminded me of that meme where it's Nickelback going, look at this photograph. I don't know. I'm also going to bring this all the way up here as well on the forehead. Because, you know, she got a small forehead, but it still has definition. We don't discriminate against these small foreheads, right? Small forehead gang, rise up. Except I don't have a small forehead, so maybe that's why I'm sitting. Dude, I crack myself up sometimes. I'm also going to add just a little bit here. Yeah, there we go. Just to add that shadow to make it look like her face is even skinnier. Preferably a cooler toned shadow to emphasize the bruising around this mask. To help with the contrast even more, we're gonna trace the outline one more time. We're gonna use black shadow. You'll see. It's kind of hard to explain, so you'll see. Okay, I'm gonna blend everything on the outer edge one more time, and I will be right back to do the lips, and then we're done. I'm gonna take a lip pencil and just outline the general shape of her lips, and then go in with the red liquid lipstick, which is the easiest step out of this entire thing. So let's go. It's almost like drawing a mustache. Gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. Now I'm gonna go in with this Ever Liquid lipstick. This is in the color I was gonna say 270, but it's 27. Alright, this is the final look. This is usually the part where I ask you to like and subscribe and, you know, comment down below, but really I just want you to pray for my face.